They say we have 5 different English books. Oh, 4. Ne? We have 5 different Afrikaans books, and then we have 3 different Zulu books are randomly arranged on a shelf. That's number 1, English. And then they say, how many different ways can the books be arranged, English? Now, how many books do we have in total? We just count the number of books that we have. How many do you have? So it means which we are going to be performing 12 tasks. So this is A. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. English. How many different ways can these books be arranged? Like they didn't give us any condition, English. How many ways can you arrange these books? You say, I have 12 books, and then they are going to be arranged 12 factorial ways. Because I have 12 books, I have 12 spaces. So they're going to be arranged 12 factorial ways. What is 12 factorial if you do it?
479.
It's 4, 7, 9, 0, 0,
600.
1, 6,
600.
0, 0, comma. Eh?
Nothing.
There's no comma. Finance. Now, how many different ways can they be? Can the books be arranged if the books of the same language have to be placed next to each other? Now, we are going to treat the books of the same language as if they are one. All of them, they are going to come and create one block. So we have 12 blocks all in all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 shall become 1. As soon as you do the 4 shall become 1, you then say, which this is 4 factorial. Why is that? Because inside the books, how many books do you have? You have 4. All the 4 books can still be arranged. So the 4 books that you have, we can still arrange them. What else do we have then after that? We have this part here, which we have 5. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 shall become 1. Now, if this 5 become 1, what are you going to have? You're going to have what? 5 factorial. That one is fine, English. Last but not least, we have 3 books that are still remaining, English. 3 shall become 1. The 3 books is going to be what? 3 factorial. So now we have 4 factorial, we have 5 factorial, and then we also have what? 3 factorial. But these books are not fixed. I think this is a mistake that I've seen now. We'll try to address that issue, which we don't place the books. They are not fixed here. This block and this block and this block, they can still move. Now, how many blocks do you have that you can still move? You have 3 factorial ways. Okay. So we say we're going to multiply this. This multiplied by this, multiplied by this, multiplied by this. And then 10, you see the mistake that we're going to make. I'm confident that you can arrange the books inside. But we always forget this one. I don't know what is the best thing that we can do so that we don't forget this one. Should we start with it? But how to start with it if you didn't put the blocks? Because most of the time we are guilty of that. We always assume which that one is fixed, but when it's not fixed, it can still move. You open
a bigger bracket.
Meaning what? The bigger bracket, which you still have to arrange it. Yeah. So you're thinking which I should start by saying there's this thing that we need to arrange the things that are inside. Oh. So that we remember which the people inside now, but they still have to be arranged. Yeah. We all adopt that one. Yeah. Okay, thank you for that one. So we arrange 1, 2, 3 things, and then we arrange the things inside the block. Yeah. The things inside the yes. Factorial. Factorial, it's mode 1. We go to this exclamation, there's this exclamation thing. So it's 5, ne? What is shift? Or press this thing here. Look at this one, x to the power of minus 1 number. X to the power minus 1, and then we press exclamation. And then what equals to? If it's x to the power minus 1. No, and it's good. If you don't know, let's ask so that you don't wait up until you go to exam. Okay, let's go to the answer. What is the answer?
110.
1
0
3 6 8 0 comma. Now, what is the probability that books of the same language are arranged together? Probability, guys, it's simple. It's how many ways can we have books of the same kind sitting together? yeah, all over the sample space, which is going to be 12 factorial. So the probability of same language, I will call it same language, same L. We are going to have 103,680 all over 12 factorial. This is going to be a probability. What do you get for that one?
It's 1 all over 4,620.
It's 1 all over
4,620.
4,620. Like this. Yeah, you can do it like this to answer. It's fine. We can do it like this.